My love, welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. You have a very lovely place.
Thank you so much. So, what would I offer you?
Anything light will do.
Okay. You know, this is the first time you're coming to my house. I need you to do something.
Let's start from that first.
Okay. Okay, this boy. Sandy!
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Maybe Perpetual be this. Sandy!
Yes, sir.
Why you acting like you've seen a ghost or something?
No, sir. I'm okay, sir. I'm okay, sir.
You're okay.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have anything important to say, kindly go inside and make light noodles for my guest here. Very simple.
How are normal thing? Normal challenge, sir. I go do am, man. No, the come, sir.
And please make it spicy. I like it spicy.
Okay? Spicy like you, right?
Now, me better tell you, man, make am spicy.
A few moments later.
Okay, sir. You know the done already.
Please enjoy yourself, my dear. What is this? Sandy!
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Huh? Can I know this way is a man cook now?
I'm not dumb. I know it noodles. What will they uncut pepper here?
Oh, God, she don't say she want to make it spicy. Now, why are you?
Are you mad?
No, sir.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
Before I close my eye and open it, take these noodles back and make a proper noodles here.
Sorry, sir, but she said she want to make it spicy.
Get out! Can you imagine?
I'm so surprised. What is this?
A few moments later.
Oh, God, you know this.
Sam, now that you did the right thing, how do you feel?
This looks good.
You like it, right?
Oh my god. Are you sure this is noodles?
What's the problem?
I don't know. Just take a bite.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
What is this?
You see, Tabi? You like him now, okay?
Don't play with me. What did you put in these noodles?
I don't be noodles a cook. Now you know me a cook.
What did you put in these noodles?
Okay. Okay, na sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, na sugar I put inside.
Why would you add sugar? Why would you add sugar in these noodles for God's sake?
Okay. I overheard you and you telling your friend that day on the phone. Say your girlfriend no sweet. So I say I put sugar inside so that after she don't choke and finish now, she go start the sweet for you now.
Babe, please, it's not what you think.
How dare you? You know what? I'm out of here.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
You are fired.
Eh, okay.
You are fired.
Okay,
Leave my house.
No, now, okay. Don't be so now. Now.
Sandy, I'm about one. No better.
Okay, no.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
Go get the door, please.
Okay, sir. Perpetual, what do you buy for this place?
Is your boss around?
I don't understand. After the thing went on last time, you still they come here, they ask if my boss there around.
Look, I just want to talk to you, please.
Perpetual, my boss no there around. I beg they go.
Sandy, you know me very well.
Eh?
If you know if I change am for you, come off my phone.
They threaten me from my house.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
What's going on there? Who's that?
No, Oga, don't worry. Don't be somebody.
me. I'm sorry.
Which one?
Perpetual!
Oga, don't be fish. You know.
Sandy, let that in! Perpetual! What are you doing here?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know why I reacted that way the other time, sir.
Perpetual, I've been with you for years. You had rumors about me and you just concluded like that. You slapped me.
You must get.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
I thought you had something doing in the kitchen.
Yes, sir.
Get back to your duty post.
Okay.
Come on, get lost!
Sorry, sir.
Come on here.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
Touch you, my life.
Hey, madam, if you break this cup, you know how much my oga buy the cup? See Perpetual.
Is that your new greeting to your new madam?
Eh?
Now so you greet.
Now you my new madam now. Wow! See Perpetual. Now you don't allow guys don't carry your gardens finish for area. You don't come now, my boss stand a big fish. You dey tell me say my madam.
Wetin concern you? Na your gardens, abi na your cravings? Eh? You go mind your business, abi?
So you don't allow guys don't carry your gardens anyhow. And you come here now. Now my oga you wan give am gardens. You see this thing I go scatter down.
God punish you.
Eh?
I say God punish you. I don't get friend. They share gardens anyhow.
Really?
You mad?
Don't try me, oh.
Babe, as you get me coffee, you're taking so long.
Good night, sir. Sorry, good morning, sir.
Don't worry, babe. Sandy,
Yes, sir.
it's like you got up on the wrong side of the bed this morning.
Okay, I no even sleep last night. You know, say as we dey since yesterday, you get one evil spirit to enter this house. Okay, I've been praying, you know. And so I no sleep.
Babe,
Meaning?
Sandy can be mischievous.
No, what does he mean?
Please, just go take your rest. I'll take it off from you, okay? I'll take it off from your place. Just go take your rest.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll take it off. I'll take it off from you. So where are we?
Okay, as I was saying, we need to do 30 days praying and fasting in this house. Yes, sir. That's just this.
Sandy, you have problem.
Okay. We need to pray, oh.
You have problem.
We need to pray, sir.
Ha! You be this girl. Babe! Where are you? We are running late, please.
Give me a minute.
Women are late.
How do I look?
You look so lovely,
I know.
beautiful.
I know.
I feel like, you know.
Babe. Yeah, let's go.
And wait. Firstly, I think I should ask Sandy two questions before we get back. So, what would you like?
Yeah, next one.
Okay, this boy. Sandy! Sandy!
Okay, you call me, sir.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
Why are you looking at my woman like that?
Okay, normally, I like to mind my business. So. But why she go the dress? Look at everything open. What's all this? I don't.
Sandy, can't you mind your business for once?
And I'm just the talk because she look like an harlot.
I love her like that.
Okay, sir.
I love her like that.
Okay,
I love her dress. As you can see, I'm going out to my room.
Okay.
Please, before we get back, I want you to prepare yam and egg sauce. Okay?
Oga, I don't feel cook yam and egg sauce.
I don't understand. Am I asking you to make yam and egg sauce for yourself, or I'm asking you to make yam and egg sauce for me and my woman?
Oga, me and you know say anytime I cook, na only one plate you dey chop. Na me dey chop the remaining one. So me, I don't tire to dey chop yam and egg sauce.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
Sandy!
Yes, sir.
It's like you want to go back to the village where I brought you from.
No, sir.
It's like you are tired of this job.
No, sir.
Don't worry, I'll send you back to that village.
No, sir, I will cook it.
Don't just make that my ex when I get back.
I will cook it.
Please, let's go. Hey, let's go. Come on, get lost.
Yes, sir, I will cook it, eh? Yes, sir. Eh? See Perpetual. So now make Perpetual do shoo. Wow. Amaka, now money you get to no be God. They tell this month you go threaten you, carry you go back village. No wahala now. And Perpetual, we shall see. Nah.